Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to check if a number is prime number or not in C. So let's get started. So here I'm having a code where I'm having a variable n and I'm just inputting the value of that variable n. So let's see what we are going to do to check whether that number is prime number or not. So for this we will be having a for loop, and basically we will run the for loop from numbers 2 till the number -1, and we will be dividing the input number with all the numbers from 2 till n-1. So this is what we are going to do. So if any of the numbers between these range divide our number input n, we will be printing number is not a prime. And if none of the numbers from this range divides our input n, we will be printing this is a prime number. Alright, so let me just now code and explain you. So for this for loop, and as I told you, the range is going to be from 2, don't put 1 because every number is divisible by 1. So it's going to be int I equal to 2, and the condition here is going to be I less than n. That's a condition that I told you. It's going to be n-1. So this comes till n-1, okay, and it's going to be I plus plus, and inside this I told you we will be testing if our number n is divisible by the numbers in this range. So it's going to be if number n modulus of I equal to 0, the modulus operator returns 0 if it is truly divisible by that number I. And if it is divisible, what we will be doing is we can just print that number is like this. Printf, we can just print not a prime number. Alright, so now we are good, but we are still having an issue over here. So let me just explain you what is the issue that's happening. So yeah, semicolon, I will save it. So let me just now run it, and after that I will explain you the issue. So I'm running it, enter a number, let me go with 50. Alright, so here you can see I'm getting not a prime number literally these many times, and the reason is because this if condition runs even after we are printing this print statement. Alright, so imagine 50. So 50 is at first divisible by 2, after 2 50 is divisible by 5, after that it is divisible by 10, after that it is divisible by 25. So we are having 4 chances, 4 numbers of I divide 50, and I guess we will be having 4 print statements over here. So this is the reason why we are having that. So for that what we can do is we can just have a break condition. Alright, so this just breaks the code. Even if the number, for example, let us consider the number n as 50, even if the number is divisible by 2, it literally breaks the for loop. So after that we won't be testing for the other numbers from 3 till I less than n. So we won't be testing that. So through this way we will be able to stop the iteration immediately at the instance if our prime number is divisible by any value of I. So you need to have a break condition over here and go with 50. Here you can see I'm getting only once. So this program is now fine, but we are not having a condition to check if the number is a prime number. We are just having a print statement to check not a prime number, right? So we need to have a condition to check a prime number also. So for doing that, what you can do is you can just have a flag. It is nothing, just a variable that has the value 0 and 1. So I'll just have here int flag equal to 0. Alright, let's just have the flag as 0. And what we can do is inside the if condition, let's just assign the value flag equal to 1. Alright, so what we are doing here is that if the number is not a prime number, if the number is divisible by some value of I, we are assigning the flag as 1 over here. So at the end, after the for loop, we will be just having a condition. If flag value is still equal to 0, we will just print prime number. Alright, we'll just be printing prime number. So this is fine. Yeah, so how this is going to work is that this if condition will be executed for only non-prime numbers. So for example, consider a prime number 43. Alright, 43 is not divisible by any number between I equal to 2 and I less than 43. None of the numbers are going to divide 43. So this condition will be false forever, and the code inside this if statement will never get executed. In that case, our flag value will remain 0 throughout the program. So even after this for loop is executed, our flag will still remain 0. So by that way we will be able to identify which is a prime number or not. So let's take the example 50. Alright, 50 isn't a prime number. So it goes here, first iteration itself I equal to 2, 50 is divisible, but inside this we are changing our flag to 1. And it goes here, after this it's breaks, the break condition gets executed, for loop terminates, it goes here, flag equal to 0, but we have just changed the flag as 1 since it is not a prime number, and this print statement doesn't get executed. So I hope this made sense. We are just finding and executing this flag equal to 1 for only non-prime numbers, and the flag remains 0 because the code doesn't get execute inside this if condition for prime numbers. Alright, so this is the simple logic of the flag. I'm saving it now and let me rerun it again. So this time I will go with 71. I guess 71 is a prime number. Yeah, I'm getting prime number, and let's also try for a non-prime number again. So I'll go with 142. Say I'm getting not a prime number. The entire code is available in the description in my website. If you want the code, you can just click on the link in the description. It's absolutely your choice. And I also done many other programming videos in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL. Check the playlist of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.